Crypto predictions for 2026 are already going wrong. Just like 2021. Let's roast some classics. Remember BTC to $100,000 by 2022? Or Dogecoin to $10? People posted these like gospel. Now they're hiding in shame. 2026 edition. XRP to $100. SOL to $1,000. BTC to $1 million. Or my favorite. This alt will 100x next week. Every single week. Diamond hands turned paper hands in 2022. Will we see the same in 2026? Or are we finally mooning? Spoiler, probably both. What's your worst crypto prediction gone wrong? Comment below and tag a friend who hodled through the pain.